Hi guys, it's Tara from Lake Hazel and we're doing preschool art. Today we are doing a spring mosaic with construction paper. I don't have construction paper, so I'm using cardstock. Today I'm going to do a flower. Sorry, I'm having allergies. Okay, so I'm doing something different. I like different, and apparently I'm filling neon. So we're doing neon pink, neon green, and neon, well, just yellow, and on black, so it's like an awesome contrast. So with a mosaic is like with paper or tiles. It's little bits of something that actually makes a whole picture. So you can do it with beans. Today we're doing paper. You can do it with seeds, tiles, pavers in the backyard for a big mosaic, like endless possibilities. But today we're doing a flower. So I went ahead and saved a little time and cut some 1-inch strips. Doesn't have to be 1 inch. I'm just making them big so you guys can see it. I'm going to turn the camera down onto the table so you can actually see what I'm doing. Sorry, my nose is driving me crazy. I'm having allergies so bad. Ugh. So I'm going to do roughly 1-inch squares. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's your art. You can do what you want with it. I'm a big advocate of creativity. Okay. So I've got green little tiles for the stem and the leaves. And then I'm going to make some pink for the petals. You can do any kind of spring thing. You can do a bee. I'm just doing flowers because I'm in a flower mood. It's so pretty outside. Well, minus the wind today. It's kind of insane. But it's just, flowers are starting to bloom. That's why I'm having allergies. Pretty sure a lot of other people feel that way too. Okay. So that's for the petals. I can't wait to actually do things with you guys in the building. I'm very excited. And you'll actually get used to me. I came from Victory. Sorry, I'm kind of chatty. I just got off work and doing this. All right. Okay. So take glue. I like Arlene's, I always say it wrong. Tacky glue, because it doesn't buckle like a lot of glue does, so it makes your project actually look nicer in my opinion. And we're gonna just start this project, so here we go. So I'm gonna do this upside down because I apparently have that skill. Definitely mastered it while at home. So it's going to look kind of like a tile work, like in a kitchen or a bathroom. All right, and then if you want it to kind of go round while still staying with the tile look, you can just have your pieces. And then we can do that to make it a corner. Like that. And if the pieces don't line up, it is not a big deal because it just doesn't matter. It's your art. You can do what you want with it. All right. So now we're going to do petals. Actually, since the flower is facing the front, I'm going to do the stem first so the flower petals can kind of go behind the stem. I mean, in front of the stem. I don't know why I did a line of glue. That looks sloppy. That's okay. No mistakes, just experiences. Okay. And then you put the petals on. Ta-da! And we have a flower. If you want your flower to have a little more to it, you can do that cut your tile in half thing again. This is one big flower. Oh my gosh, this glue. Apparently it's time for new tacky glue. It's running out of life. So yeah, just little pieces of paper that look like tiles that you make into pictures. You can do that with lots of things. Even popcorn. Do different beans and popcorn and like rice and stuff in different pictures. It gives different textures and different looks to your project. Also, this kind of reminds me of tanagrams, which is the shapes that you can turn into any other shape you would like. And after the last piece, you have a flower mosaic piece. All right, here we go. So now the flower is done and it's in the mosaic style, so you have the tile patterns. And you don't have to do a flower, you can do anything you want as long as it's in tile form. With the little pieces of paper, or like I said, any other thing that you can think of that can create a picture with pieces. So don't forget to sign your artwork. I don't have a pencil with me right now, or else I would. Oh no, I gotta sneeze. So okay, so we are done. Thank you for watching Tara's Spring Mosaic Preschool Art picture video. All right, have a good night, guys. Thanks for watching.